let y'all know, you know what I mean? Everybody know me by HP, you know what I mean? A lot of people call me Haitian Fly. I still show love to my family, you know what I mean? There's a whole lot of time I heard in the street, HDB Closet, and I had to say that to y'all, you know what I mean? A lot of people are HDB finished with that, you know what I'm saying? We're gone, but we still here, you feel me? Working, and what we gotta do. We've been in the studio for that long, you know what I mean? Because we need to bring some that make the fan happy, you know what I mean? Y'all know me. Y'all know HB, if I had to bring something, I gotta bring something to make y'all happy, you feel me? And I gotta say, congratulate to all the fans that always love HDB, always keep HDB in their heart, you know what I'm saying? That always got to be inside. Leave that HDB gonna bring something that's gonna make y'all so happy, you know what I mean? Right now I'm with the whole clique. As you see this HDB right now playing game, enjoy the TV, kind of sip a little bit. Shout out to the street. Shout out to Haiti, you feel me? Shout out to Haiti, you know what I mean? Shout out to Mateli that's doing a whole lot of things right now in Haiti. That's trying to bring the country up, you know what I mean? Just know that we soon to come. We soon to come. Hope all the people at HDB wait for what is coming. Just wait, and keep waiting, you feel me? Till HDB blow on everybody's face. And that's what it is, you feel me? This is what HDB block. HDB, baby.
Alright, y'all know this is Angel Kings in the building. Nah, man, you know, I'm busy, I'm well. Api la sula, api kin don te vila ka pase la. Api vila iya, pali la, isi kazi, travay. Iba lè sa peut-être faire là, attends, je dis un studio, quelques jours à travailler sur, quelques jours à travailler sur. Ma produit même dégâts, ouais. So one love to my fans, stay tuned, HDB.
One love. But we are some kids that look basically, aka Shiwes, Snake Bear Flash, Patiti Bear Flash, level là toujours high. Et vidéo nous pensons qu'on est corps qui est la caméra, c'est des vidéos faites et corps qui est là, on est HD, on est appelé, on est déjà tout film dans la live, il doit bien casser, nous juste cacher pour nous pour nous bon bagage pour nous fanatique, parce que nous voyons en pile ça nous fait plaisir, et les bagages qui sont dans la pure. Ça même, nous qui là nous dans bazar la nation, 115, 113, one love.
For me, I said Jimmy in the building, girl love them.
Baby!
Avant que je sois un fanatique, on qui me dit que c'est un il y a un Jimmy Jimmy là, pour nous amener, on a produit, on fait des bagages qui manquent pour là, on veut faire les autres bagages sortir normal, carrément. Nous amenons là, et shout out to Big Father qui a fait mon travail tout. Alors, mix au Haiti, pour nous, et c'est comme nous pour on peut bailler la colonne.
Ça a fait, tout fanatique la créole, tout le monde qui connaît déjà, nous élogés, parce que les 4 marchés à la créole, tout le monde a supporté la créole là où on a mis tout, moi c'est un soldat. Nous là, on a fait la gagne, nous avons une vidéo vraiment bruit, d'appliquer les classiques. C'est la vie du tout. Nous là, on travaille, nous va avec nous. Nous là, on travaille, on fait. Et puis,
qu'est-ce que tu as dit? Oh! Tu fanatique du bien, nous pouvons espérer que ça c'est du cause. Je vais big shout out pour tout le monde qui a regardé nous là. Si nous ensemble, nous avons la plaisir en fait. Ça veut dire que nous là, pour nous travailler, nous travailler pour nous. Nous là, nous la position de
on m'a demandé ça, on m'a fait mon nom, je vais pas faire vidéo pour les sortir là, et bien, on est là, on va avec une
You feel me? Like my boy said, you feel me? You gotta keep it locked, you feel me? Y'all already know. HDB gotta speak it and I gotta sit in Creole for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to tout les gars qui sont là, tout le groupe café for you. qui a toujours travaillé ensemble et travaillé. Pas give up, toujours qui est, there's a lot of y'all think I don't speak no Creole, but I do, you feel what I'm saying? Make sure tout pour que tout ça est fait, you know what I'm saying? Like, nous toujours dit, si monsieur Haïti a fait, il faut vous l'oliver là, et bien, plus respect, on va là. Pour nous, on a bazar, on a base, on va là, poster là, drinking no brandy, you know what I mean? VF, you feel me? Like I told you, I got caught in the back of this, you know what I'm saying? You got to do everything, and like I told you, I got a flyer coming soon, you feel me? I got a flyer coming soon.
Wait for it, baby.
You will see what's gonna happen, man. Especially when Betsy got so you would like to see cute boys and niggas with swag, you know what I'm saying? You gotta check us out. HDB, you're gonna find everything.
Live.
Cute. Baby girl, you feel me? If you got a man, kill him. Just throw him in the corner, and I mean, push him in the curve, cause you feel me? Because once we come, we're gonna make the block hot.
Hold up. BSB, who am I with you?
You look so fine, never seen no guy like you before. Girl, can you be mine? I got everything you like. Until my good shit.
Yeah, big up.
Baby girl, I'm your spotlight.
Yeah.
Just know that, baby girl, you feel me? I'm your spotlight, and my boys your boy. You feel me?
Baby girl, you look so fine. Never seen a girl like you before.
That's right.
Girl, can you be mine? I got everything you like. I got all the money. I got all the jewelry. I got what you like, baby.
Baby girl, can you be
You know what?
mine?
Fuck that. I mean, push your boyfriend to the side and come out like Haitian block. You feel me? HCB, we do everything. That's what it is. You know what I mean? We got goons behind. You feel me? We're not gonna come with a fight. No. I mean, we come for the kids. You know what I'm saying? All the kids. That's for the kids. You know what I mean? That's for the kids and that's for the girls that got babies.
Hey, you should
know what I
get
mean?
my kids.
Fuck with HCB. You know what I mean? Every time HCB doing something, bring your kids. You know what I mean? No violence. No stupid shit in the music, you know what I mean? We gonna bring this shit, you know what I mean? That's what it is.
New generation.
Keep following, that's what it is, you know what I mean?
Hey,
All
word up.
that stuff.
Fanatic,